Hey, good day, and thank you for tuning in to Raspberry Canoe. My name's Andrew Laframboise, and today we're going to do a gear review of cook kits. I've got a great system that I've evolved over the last couple of years. It's a modular system that can take me from solo all the way to family. So let's jump into it.
So here's the gear. In the middle for solo tripping, the Toaks Titanium 750mm with bail and lid. To the left, the HealthPro Titanium lightweight 3-piece. And on the right is the GSI Outdoors Bugaboo 14mm with the Summit Spork attached. The Toaks 750 Titanium with bail is a great unit for solo tripping. It'll fit everything you need, including a 100-gram fuel container. The kit set up with enough fuel to take you 2 nights weighs 505 grams. The HealthPro Titanium Lightweight 3 has turned out to be one of my favorite pieces of kit. It was so reasonably priced that I was a little worried about it. It has a 1.2 liter main pot that nests into an 800ml pot with a frying pan that acts as a lid at 200ml. Just 261 grams. This pot actually comes with me on solo trips at times as well. Serves as my mug, my dish, and my main pot. A lot of ultralight campers drop the mug. For me, it's an important luxury. I like drinking while I eat. So for 54 grams, the GSI Ultralight Bugaboo aluminum mug does the trick. I really recommend going with a spork and a long-handled spork. For $10, this Summit Alpha Light's a great choice. This is the kit that'll be coming with me on a 10-day Temagami trip with my toddler and wife. At 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds, it has everything we need. The kit will always include fuel, stove, lighter, tin foil paper towel, alcohol wipes, biodegradable soap, a sponge. I will pack toothpaste and a toothbrush, and when we add, people will add toothbrushes and a small crank flashlight to the larger kit. When we add even more people, we could actually nest the smaller kit into the bigger kit. I've had this stove for over 2 years. At 25 grams and $20, you can't go wrong. The BRS will bring 12 ounces of ice cold water to a boil in 4 minutes and 30 seconds. The most efficient way to use a stove is to ensure that the flame only covers the bottom of the pot and no more. The only downfall of this system is that it is very small and unstable, so you will need to take care when setting it up and ensure your pot is well centered. When I head out on longer trips, I will bring in a Twig stove. It's a great way to save on fuel.
Hey guys, I really hope you took something back from this. I know that I've been learning a lot over the years from watching other YouTubers and just trial and error. If you have, please like, share, subscribe. Until next time, happy hiking from Raspberry Canoe. Take care.